So hello wonderful people, this is Arpi Jain and before for spoken English classes, and you will see in this video few students are there and they are going to perform GD, and the topic of the GD is greenwashing. Yes, greenwashing. Do you know the meaning of greenwashing? If you don't know the meaning of greenwashing, please go through the video completely and don't skip even a single minute. In this particular time, the word greenwashing plays a very crucial role and you should know the meaning of the greenwashing. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Yadav and welcome to the channel MP44 Spoken Classes. And today sir has given me the opportunity to speak on greenwashing topic. So now I'm here for GD. We are all for GD, and so we are getting started. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Bhabad, and as you know, our today topic is greenwashing. So here we start. Greenwashing is a marketing practice which mislead consumer to make them believe that products is environmental friendly when in reality that product is not. For example, many companies claim that their product is organic, such as life care products claims that their product is organic, like toothpaste, soap, etc. But in the deep down their product is not organic, or it contain harsh chemicals and lot of things. For this type of companies we should file case against this company on Consumer Protection Act 1986. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Bhumika. So as you all know, we are going to discuss about greenwashing topic. So here in today's era, every next company is misleading about their marketing activities. They show what exactly they do not contain in their products. So there are many companies like if we talk about apparel brands, or if we talk about makeup industries. So the lipstick that we apply, the makeup products that we use, everything has a misleading concept. Every next product has the bad ingredients, I can say. Also the apparels that we wear. So if I talk about Zara, if I talk about any other fashion brand, they claim that their product is eco-friendly, but actually they are not. You can search about them on Google, and you can see that these companies are not able to fulfill what exactly they have claimed about their eco-friendly, about their certificates to most of the organizations in India. So that is the reason why they fall under this category where we cannot trust on them. Thank you.
This is Pratha Barjatya, and as you know that our topic is greenwashing. So more and more people are using unnecessarily images, green images in their displays to advertise that their products are very green and healthy, and in real they are not healthy, and they are harming the human body, and it is also polluting the environment.
Hello, my name is Krishna Iswal, and today's topic is greenwashing. And some companies getting harm for the people, and the government should take the step for punish for the people, because this is not good.
In the present time, people are very smart and they know what's the greenwashing, and they are very they are getting understand what the meaning of greenwashing. And the pupils are rejecting these products for such kind of companies, and they know, but all kind of the greenwashing strategies cannot be recognized easily. So second point is government should take an initiative on this, and they should ban the such kind of product which they are misleading the consumer. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kajal, and as we know, we are talking about greenwashing topic. So greenwashing is a manipulating marketing practices which is used to mislead the consumers, and this practice used in the companies. And some of companies make the statements like their products are biodegradable and non-toxic, but actually they are, and they are very harmful for our nature and humans too. Thank you.
Yeah, sure, rightly said, Kajal. So some companies use biodegradable and non-toxic products, and they do mention that their products are 100% vegan. Their products, they tick mark green icon on their products to show that this product is for vegetarians. And also they do use some kind of marketing activities. They do prepare some kind of small videos for awareness about that. They are using more nature supporting ingredients in their products, but actually they are not using. So as we all know about a few companies, like many of the companies are there who are doing such kind of activities just to increase the sales. So we can see these activities or this kind of issues with most of the eatable items, with most of the eatable products, and also in toothpaste. We can see this with soaps that we use daily basis. So this is the issue that everyone face here in our country. And for this issue only, we have many organizations who are working on it. So if we can see that this is IFDI approved product or some kind of IRDI approved product, I'm not exactly aware about the term, but they do mention on their packaging that this product is approved with the food, that this product is approved with the Food Corporation of India, for example. So if Food Corporation of India has approved this product, it means this product should contain all the supportive ingredients that is not harmful for nature, for human beings, for animals. But sometimes it doesn't happen. Thank you.
As we all know, Vimal brand, they use Kesar Yukt or this type of things to make people believe that their product is eco-friendly. But deep down, we all know that their product causes cancer or it is injurious to health. But people following their ad, they eat and they get causes by cancer or
whenever we are buying the product, so we should go through the remarks that other people have bought and they experience. So by that, if it is harmful, so we will get to know and we will not buy that. And if it is good, so we can buy. So it will save the life of the people too. Thank you.
Hello. Many of companies are doing greenwashing marketing, but they don't know this kind of strategy can be used only for once, because they will sell any product in a one time, only for one time. After that, no one will purchase this kind of product. So they should avoid this kind of strategies, and they should make the real product. Thank you.
Some companies make vague statement such as non-toxic, etc. But the company wasting thousands of million rupees waste of greenwashing. And when the customer listen, the company lost their customer confidence. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. So we are done with our discussion about greenwashing. I hope you all like our video and the discussion on greenwashing, and I'm sure that everyone is aware about greenwashing, and you too will not make a fool about the strategies of this company. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.